What percentage of your portfolio is cash? My current portfolio is about 40 cash. I was planning on buying a house, but that doesn't seem possible anymore. I'm not too sure if my cash position is too large and or how to safely move said cash into other investments. To be honest, zero lol. Cash is a position. MMFs are over 5. I keep around 10 to 20 just in case things in the market turn sideways or if I have individual stocks at good prices that I want to add to. The rest I just invest in a ETF. Obviously everyone is different and just do what you feel comfortable with. As a share of my entire net worth bank account Vanguard portfolios, I'm 13 in cash and 87 in the market, but that includes emergency funds. So that leaves 7 of my net worth available as dry powder. I've been sitting on more and more cash, earning 5 interest each paycheck lately as the market doesn't seem as compelling to me. Don't have any debt mortgages yet. I waited until I hit that first 100K before I started to move and invest my money. Was fun seeing it grow, and after that, it sorta takes off anyways. Your cash position should be a fixed amount based on your expenses, not a percent of net worth. If you have only $2,000, you should 100 be in cash unless you live with no expenses. If you have $1 million, you would be insane to be 100 cash. Keep 6 months of expenses in cash or liquid MMFHYSA. As a tech worker facing layoff cycles, I keep 12 months and it's 15 of my NW and shrinking. 0. 3. Make your money work. Depends on what you're terming cash. Brokerages count money market funds and cash in the short-term reserves category as they're easily liquidated. Probably 40-50. I like sleeping on it. Running about 75 cash, everything's a bubbles just waiting to buy back in GIF emote-free emotes. Pack money face. In my portfolio there is only about $3,800 in cash. In my money market there is about $100,000. I am usually fully invested in my portfolio, although I may raise some cash for the end of the month. Washington Kabuki dance over raising the debt ceiling. 70 cash. 50. Buy silver. 2/3.66. You could put your cash portion in a T-bill or CD ladder if you didn't want to invest it. That way you have a portion of your cash available every month or whatever. 100. Just sold Google today. Oh cash. 40 here also. My mortgage is $950 a month. Almost paid off. And next year that 40 will be about 6 less. Why have any cash? First, you shouldn't have much cash, but if you do, it should be in 6-month bonds. 6-month bonds are paying 5.6. If you need the cash, just sell the bond early. There's no penalty. Right now, 2.5. I was at 15 a month ago. 5 of my portfolio's value. 3 months expenses. My percentage of cash keeps rising because I suck at this. I was 75-25 and now I'm 50-50. F me. 0.1. Not usually true. But I made a handful of purchases this month, so my cash position is depleted until my deposits add up. It depends on what you mean by cash. If you mean just regular old cash, collecting 0 interest or close to it, your percentage should be around 0 when treasuries are paying over 5.5% short term. On the other hand, when treasuries are paying that high with 0 risk, the attraction of stocks, especially when things look uncertain, is a lot lower. Just about 8-ish%, though about 10 extra in lower risk short-term investments that will be realized before the end of the year. Sometimes the cash rises due to adding savings. 20 cash only because the rates are too good. I'm slowly dripping it into my portfolio. The dividends are basically covering my monthly deposits almost, haha. Keep no cash or very little beside the emergency fund. Lump sum investing has been proven to be slightly better than DCA in the last 60 years. If you don't know what you're doing, like 80 of people just buy broad low-cost index ETFs. Either an all-in-one the whole world or one ETF for the US total market or SP 500. Same difference. Doesn't matter. That debate is a waste of time. US should be the major allocation. Another ETF for the rest of the world excluding the US. Could be more complex. Like 10 right, 50 US, 20 dev, countries X, US, 5 emerging markets, 5 gold, and 10 limit on single stock picks gambling. Surely you may as well put that 40 in US treasuries rather than leave it in cash? 5. I'm intending to buy dividend stocks LMAO. Currently at 9, usually range from 2 to 12. Currently like 40. Got assigned 100 SPY shares on margin at $456. Maybe 5. I try to be fully invested at all times. 100. Currently 100. Started selling in batches once annual return reached 20 for this calendar year. Now sitting with extra 5-ish return by central banks. No FOMO at all. 40 in cash ATM. Getting decent yields, 4.98 last time I checked on Fidelity's default FZFXX money market position. Still DCAing, so might totally be out of the cash position by the end of the calendar year. I am 25 cash, but IB gives you close to 5 interest on cash holdings, so doesn't feel too bad to hold cash right now. 40 also. 6 figgies. I have about the same percentage. Just waiting for that right moment. Most of mine is in my account, which pays my property taxes for the year. 15. All 4 of the last recessions were caused by different reasons. Try and ID the cause after the fact and watch for that indicator to level out. 0. I'm still 15 years out from retirement. 100 growth mutual funds. Currently 20 but growing as I've been taking profits all month. 40 means nothing. It can be $400, $4,000 or $40,000. 0. Roughly an 80-20 split between investments cash. However, that cash is in an HYSA. About 38. 20. I have 40 in cash. I was at 20 in 2022 when everyone was saying cash is trash and lost 30 of my portfolio. Now I'm playing it safe with high-yield savings accounts and bonds. Pretty much 0. Small amount in cash equivalents, but I'm putting most of it to work right away. Like 5. Recently moved 30 total. 10-15. 0.037. 70 currently. Every dollar you keep in cash you are waiting to time the market with. You are gambling with that dollar. Time in the market, timing the market. Up until last month 40, but bought heavy into bond ETFs for yield while I wait. Roughly 2 right now. What's cash? 30 every night, 70 in 4 HYSA. Usually it is close to 0. But I think some bad shit is about to happen, so I put half into a money marker ETF which just pays 4 interest, basically cash. 30 is in Hawaiian Electric stock. 20 cash.